Hello everyone, my name is Stanley Amboso from Kenya, and this is my CS50P project, which is a business management program. Let's get started. When you first run the program, it gives you a list of options to select from. The first is the services or products. I'm doing it as a laundry business, but it can be used to run any other business. If we select one, you get a list of services to be offered at the laundry, or if it's a shop or anything, it can list the products there. So it's A to add or any key to cancel. So let's say if you were to add one more, add service to offer, say ironing, cost, let's say 100 Kenya shillings per item. Successful. Press any key to enter. One more other service. What else can we do? Just drying. Say 50 X to stop. So if we do run again and list, you'll see now the two items have been added. So let's cancel, then clear the screen. If we do run again, you can create an invoice by selecting the second option, so a new invoice or print invoice. So let's select a new invoice. Customer name, let's use which name can we use? Say Kevin. Kevin who? Second name can be any name, Potter. Contact or 7. You select the service, say laundry, quantity 15. Invoice has been successfully added. So if we were to run again, select invoice. Now let's print an invoice. So the first invoice was already created. The second invoice is the one we've just added. So let's select the second invoice, which is invoice number 2. It creates a PDF of the invoice. So here's the invoice with the details. Kevin, quantity 15, cost. Yeah. Let's clear and run again. So let's receive payment. Select 3. Kevin is the pending invoice, which is invoice number 2. Select 2. Amount to pay. You can pay anything between 1 and 1500, not more than. So he might pay 1,000. Payment is received. If you were to check again, now his opening balance is 500. Invoice number still the same, 2. Amount 500. If you were to run again to print an invoice, so the invoice you're printing is Kevin's invoice. This time round the balance will be 0 because he's already paid. So you can also add expenses. You can view reports, say viewing reports. Viewing reports, it will just show you the paid invoices, any pending invoices, and the total amount you've made. You can also delete entries. So if you have to select delete entry, you can delete client details, invoice details, expense details, or service offer details. So let's say services offer details. If you want to remove one service from the list, we can just select the service and it will tell us service number 4 has been deleted. If we check again, delete entry 4, now there's no drying service among the list. Yeah. So that's it. It's got a lot, but I can't be able to go through all of that in a short video. Thank you. Cheers.